guys, what's going on? I have 2 boxes, 2 separate places. So this is an unboxing for, this is a Airsoft unboxing. So first, I guess we'll open up this one. So set this aside. Once we open this, we have the world's fastest speed loader, where's the name at? It's an Odin N12 Sidewinder Airsoft speed loader for M16 magazines. So it says we can set that there. This box is from Airsoft GI. And inside of here I have 3 of the Lonex 200 round Midcap magazines. So, I only had a high cap before, so that's why speed loader, since I lost 2 little pistol magazine sized ones, thumb ones, out in the woods. I guess now we'll go ahead and open up the speed loader. And right here I have a bottle of 0.2 gram Airsoft BBs. So if we open this here, take that out. Not much to this really. Go ahead. The 200 round Midcap capacity Lonex, tan color to match my gun. And go ahead, open this here. Pretty light, feels strong though. Base plate does come off, so you can push it out, get the internals, clean it, super easy. Shell, no flex in it, it's super light, so that's good. Satisfying click to let you know that's in there. There's a follower, goes all the way up, and I guess what you do, pop this open, till it twists, and then you take it and you load it in like so. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill the speed loader up there. We load it in there. See? I think that's it, saying that it's full. Couple fall out, that's alright. So go ahead, get the rest of these open, load them up, make sure none of them have any feeding issues. Make sure my gun doesn't have Midcap syndrome, which, if you don't know what that is, it's where your gun doesn't like mid-caps and it won't properly feed them. So we have all 3. And now, time to bring this here and get rid of the old high cap. Well, not get rid of it, but set it off to the side. That's a metal construction, this is polymer. So, it's on safety. Let's see how this feels. That feels nice. It looks good. Thing about it, feels right. Yep, alright. Let's go test shoot them. So now is the shooting test. So, put off safety. Seems to feed very nicely. Empty, so put safety. Fed every single one out of the magazine. It's just the ones in the neutral zone that fell out. So there's Good thing on that. And I've got 2 more, make sure they all feed properly. So they all work well. I'm impressed for 200 rounds. They feel great, and to me they look pretty good. For $15, that's not a bad deal. And it matches my gun pretty well, so that's always a plus. Not too heavy, so they don't weigh you down, but they feel nice. You can tell whenever they're in the mag well, you can tell like there's like no wiggle room in my mag well, so they're in there. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, my stock's moving around more than the magazine, or any part of my gun is. So, alright, so last thing I have to say about the magazines and the speed loader is the speed loader loads them super fast, super efficient. You can tell whenever it's done. And the magazines are lightweight, but they're durable, and they feel nice. Just everything about them I like. They fit in my gun well. They work with my gun. Whenever they're in the mag well, I don't feel like they're going to fall out, but whenever I have to reload, I can hit the button and they'll fall out smoothly. So that's always good. And just functionality of them is like flawless to me. No misfires. Was able to feed them fast enough. But that's brand new, so I will have to make a video later saying after the spring's been compressed times and time again from reloading and shooting, give you a review after playing with them for a couple times. So that's it for this week's video. See you next time.